Apart from using Google for searching for answers, solutions, and carrying out research to prove someone wrong, do you know you can use this search engine tool to make a lot of money online? What if I reveal a website that pays you just for searching Google using your smartphone, laptop, or personal computer? And the good news is, you can do this from anywhere in the world from the comfort of your home. And if you keep paying attention to this video tutorial and watch until the end, I will walk you through the exact process so you can start making money right away. Hi there, and welcome to Rachel's Money Guide channel, a platform for teaching you how to make online money the easiest way. Please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on any updated video, so you can start earning online as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like this video, and if you have any questions, concerns, or comments about this video, feel free to express your thoughts down below. Now let's continue with the video. Like I always do, I will explain the step-by-step method, and I need your full concentration so that by the end of this video, you'll start making real money online. So your attention is needed here. This is going to be very easy to implement because we're going to be using two websites in this video. The first popular website that I'm going to share with you is Google.com. I'm also going to share with you the second website later, but I want to address something before we continue with this video. Many people have been asking why I'm sharing these secret tips with you. They were like, can't I keep it a secret and use it to make money alone? The truth is, I love helping people to make money online. I love helping people to be financially free because I know that many people out there are struggling to make money at all. Besides, I have a business model that generates close to $1 million annually. So the first step you're going to take is to visit Google and leave the page like that. We're also going to be using another website combined with Google to make money online. And that website is called mindsumo.com. You just need to pay full attention before using this website, because if you go ahead to start using this website, you might not understand how it works. But I will show you the exact Google hack that will make you earn more money with MindSumo. Don't worry, just pay attention to what I would be teaching you, and you'll also learn how to combine these two websites effectively to make more money. And I will also explain how it works, and if you implement these strategies well, you'll make more money. Looking at these places on mindsumo.com, you'll see that they have been working with some of the biggest brands in the world. They've been working with top brands like Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Adidas, Facebook, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and many more. You can make a lot of money on this website. Just go ahead to register for a free account at mindsumo.com. Don't worry, I will show you how to do that. Just scroll to the right-hand side here and sign up for free. Just go ahead and input your first name, last name, country of residence, email address, and password. You'll also select your birth date, gender, and then you'll need to rate yourself in the following skill areas, which are creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. Although these skills are optional, I strongly recommend you select average proficiency or above average proficiency. You can ignore these three boxes right here. Now tick these two boxes here to accept their terms and conditions along with their privacy policy, and then proceed to click on I'm not a robot and click sign up to register for a free account. Once you sign in to your account, just scroll down a little bit. You'll see different challenges, questions, and projects which you can answer and get paid for doing that. This website has been paying people hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars. And when you check the left-hand side, you will see different categories for selection. So there is no way you won't make money on this website, because there are new questions, new projects, and new challenges coming in daily. If you're learning something from this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's continue with the video. Here are some projects that I want to show you. Take a look at this example. You can see the amount that people have been making with this challenge alone, and you can see their total budget and results. You can even earn more if you pay attention and listen closely to this Google trick that I'm going to show you. So all you need to do is come back here and select some of these categories. For example, let's go with engineering. Simply select any of these projects you like and answer some questions. I know you're anticipating knowing what the Google trick is, but don't worry, I'll share it with you. So here is the Google trick. Just copy this question right here. Visit google.com and paste the question right here, so we can find an answer here on Google. Just open some articles and see if you can provide answers to the questions. Here you don't need to stress yourself. I simply copied the question and went to google.com to search for that question, and this is the answer provided. I'm also going to edit the answer. If you want to edit the answer, all I need to do is go back to Google and search for Google Docs. After finding the Google Docs, I will click on the blank right here. Go back to the article, copy and paste some of the answers, paste them right here, and repeat the same process. Your chances of making good money are dependent on how long the answer is. You can even change the font, the colors, and maybe edit some words. For instance, I can just select this and change it to red color, and I can bold it or change it to italics. It's that easy and customizable. Just edit it in Google Docs, click on the file, and download it as a PDF document. This is how the document will look like when you open it. Once it is saved on your computer, you would just come back here and submit the answer. Take note that you will not win the complete money. You would need to share with other participants, but you can see it's very easy, and it took me less than 2 minutes to find the answer on Google. Now I have the chance to win hundreds of dollars for free. So all I need to do is just search on Google for the answer, find the answer, and once I found the answer, I click on I have an idea, and then log into my account, enter my email address and password, and submit the answer. It's that easy and transparent. Although there is no guarantee that you would always win the challenge and get the share of the prize, it takes you just a couple of minutes to search on Google. It's very easy, and you can do this from the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.